Hello everyone. Are you looking for the easy recipe for making a sweet? Making Shahi Tukda, which is Hyderabad's special sweet? So you are at the correct channel. Welcome to Cooking for You. Today we are going to head with the Hyderabadi special sweet Shahi Tukda with custard. Let's begin. Custard Shahi Tukda, bread dessert. Now we are going to make the rabdi. Take milk 500 ml. Let the milk come into boil. You need to cook the milk continuously until and unless all the milk get absorbed and the lactic get settled in the sides of the pan. We have added sugar in the milk and again let it cook. Keep stirring in the mid cause the sugar can get stuck in the bottom and get burnt. So keep stirring in the mid, and now we are adding custard plus milk to it. Now we are making sugar syrup preparation. In a white pan, add 500 ml of sugar and add water to it. Cook on mid flame and keep stirring. The sugar must get dissolved completely and water must get to boil. This is sugar syrup. The water will become completely sticky around. Now we are taking bread slices, giving them a shape. We have used a circular shape here. So now in another pan, heat up oil and add bread slices to them. When the breads become slightly brown on both the sides, remove them off. It's not a deep fry, it's just half fry. We are not making them completely crispy. We are making them just a slight crispy on either sides. You can see they are crispy, also soft. Now taking into the tissue for oil absorption, and now coming back to our sugar syrup, add fried bread to sugar syrup. All the bread must be absorbed in the sugar syrup. And now put it into a separate plate and add the rabdi from above to our crumbled breads and top it up with some dry fruits. Here we are ready with the recipe. Did you see how easy it is to make Shahi Tukda and with the custard especially? So go and give it a try right now. Thank you, and for more such videos, make sure to like, comment and subscribe.